HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.
It rains.
No, it's not raining.
Huh? What? The moon?
Is that the moon?
The moon. Dark moon. Dark moon.
So Jackson and I are out here checking out the new car. So we ended up picking up another Hyundai Genesis. This one needs some touching up, some little things here and there. This is the 2010, and it is the R-Spec. So it has the Brembo brake upgrade with the 19-inch wheels, whereas the other one we had was just the premium. So this one's got something done in the exhaust. It's not loud at all. It has very little sound, actually, until you fire it up. It's got some sound, but going down the road, it really doesn't. But yeah, it is the R-Spec. So this is still a 2-liter turbo. So I really enjoyed the other one that we had, which was the wide body Genesis that we did and set it all up and did the AMSOIL stickers on there, all that good stuff. Cut out the front bumper, did the grill, all that good stuff. And some stuff we're probably going to do again. So I'm probably not going to wide body this one, but definitely want to clean these wheels up. Somebody's painted them, didn't do a great job. All that needs to be cleaned up. Somebody scuffed the edge, curbed it. We'll get all that cleaned up, sand those off, respray those, probably gunmetal or black. Get rid of this on the doors that's kind of faded out vinyl. Like I said, do some touch up here and there. Maybe do blow off valve. This thing's like stock. Got a blow off valve in there and a couple of little things. The clutch on this one is very grippy, way more than the other one was. The rear end is obviously limited slip, being that this is the R-Spec, which the other one wasn't. So this thing will swing a donut like nobody's business. I mean, it does like a fox body. Does really, really good. So that's all really good things, which I wish the other one had. And then inside is fairly clean. It needs a little bit here and there, but it's not bad though.
This car is awesome.
You like it? Awesome.
This car is
Yeah. So anyways, just wanted to give you an idea what it looks like. Just got it home, just picked it up.
Ooh.
All right guys, got the Genesis over here to the shop. First things first, get these stickers off. So this side's actually done. So all the thing I did was use a heat gun, put a little bit of heat on it, keep it moving. If it's cold, the stuff just breaks off in pieces, but if you can warm it up a little bit, it'll just pull pretty nicely. You get pretty big pieces, they end up breaking, but that looks so much better. Now you can see how low the car is. Before it just blacks it out, you can't see nothing. That actually looks really good now. Super happy with that. All right guys, there we go. Both sides are done now. Now it needs a bath and some touch up and some repainted wheels. But that looks pretty good. Looks way better than it did. Pretty happy with that. So glad we got both sides done. My fingers are killing me from pulling at them, but it looks way better. So take it to the car wash. At least clean it up for now a little bit more. And we'll give you some good looking shots of it.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.